Hey, this is Tanya Weeders. Hope all is well. Thank you so much for showing up on our page today. Our six-figure discovery calls that your business keeps missing. And we want you to learn how we made over $127,000 within 60 days by accident. You need to know that your business deserves to be top of mind for your audience. And we're here to show you exactly how to do this. I always say that if you show me your business, then I'll show you how to capitalize on what you're not using or underutilizing in your business. Today, specifically, we're talking about those phone calls that you don't make or aren't even the ones that you're answering. For all you who don't answer unidentified calls that are unavailable, all of that information, you could be making so much, but you're losing so much income that you don't know about, resources and even relationships, partnerships, collaborations that may bring so much more to your business's bottom line than what you'd expect. If you want to know a little bit about me, my information is below. What you need to know is that I've been where you are. I know what it is to try to get those dream clients that, show up, are ready to do the work, are forward thinkers, people who respect the process and understand that there's a little bit of, grit and gut that goes into actually getting it done, right? You're waiting for those individuals, you're putting out all of the feelers, and for whatever reason, they're not coming your way. This is the strategy that you need to deploy. And it really, in essence, is something that I wish I had known when I first went into business for myself so many years ago. We always say time is money, but if I were to ask you right now, how much is that worth to you? How much is your time worth? And if you don't know, and if you don't relay that to your clients and customers because you don't know, then you're taking all of these phone calls and wasting a whole lot of time instead of saving your time, saving your energy, and oh yeah, making money in the process because you are pre-qualifying every person that comes into your phone bank. This is a strategy that we actually had to shut down using at the final quarter, like March, like MJ in the cut. Okay, in the paint, we had to actually shut it down because we wound up making over $127,000 to the tune of 38 spanking brand new clients that were fired up, ready to go to do business with each and every one of us. We want you to come aboard. We want you to learn what this process is. Continue reading down below to see what all the specs are in terms of the details, the benefits, and everything that is going to enhance your business starting today. Again, I say, wait for what? I'm not in this agreement of, okay, well, we're going to start working and it'll work 3 or 4 days later. No, you can start using this as soon as you finish watching what is going on. We also want to strenuously convince you or convey to you the importance of taking advantage of our $1,500 consultation that you are going to get for 100% free. The problem is we learn things and we think that we can do it on our own, but if no one shows you how to quarterback that situation for your business, because every business is different, then it falls by the wayside. We don't want you to take the investment that you've given us and then just leave caution to the wind. No, we want to show you how to get this done, how to lock it down, and start being able to deploy this immediately, if not sooner. I promise you, once you learn this tactic, you'll see from the testimonials that we have, there are folks that actually deploy this on every phone call that they make right now because now they know their value. When you have a dollar sign that's associated to your time, you cannot look and see things the way you saw them before ever again. So we want you to have a good time. Continue to read what's going on at the bottom of this page. Also look out on your email because we did fire off to you your freebie that you actually signed up for. Thank you so much. That's my time. At the time of this recording, it is the day that I found out that legendary basketball player Kobe Bryant died. What I want to tell you is it's not too late for your business. Every day that you have the opportunity to get up, you have the opportunity to change your life, you have the opportunity to transform your business, you have another chance to right some wrongs. And if you do not take advantage of that, it will fall on your hands. You can do this. It can be done. It will be done. You have an obligation to get it done because there's so many of your clients and customers that are looking for you and they cannot find you, and it's because of you. And we're here not to bully you into your success, but to give you the truth and also to give you the tools in order for you to take it to the next level along with your business and everyone around you. There's so much abundance in the world that is available for you. All you have to do is show up and get it. And we are going to push you off that cliff so that you know that either you'll be given something solid to stand on or you will be taught how to fly. Talk to you soon. See you later.